In number one, we're asked to find the approximation of this definite integral using a trapezoidal approximation with 3 equal subintervals from 0 to 6. So we can figure out delta x by taking 6 minus 0 divided by 3. So our delta x is 2. So it helps to go ahead and write those intervals that we're breaking this up into 3 equal subdivisions. So we're going, starting at 0, and we're going up by 2. So we're going from 0 to 2, and then we're going from 2 to 4, and then we're going from 4 to 6. So there's our 3 subintervals. They're all equal length of 2. That also kind of helps us set up our equation, because the trapezoidal approximation is going to be 1/2 times delta x, which is 2, times f of 0, so one of our first ones here, and then 2 is repeated twice, so we get 2 times f of 2, plus, there's 2 4s here, so 2 times f of 4, plus, there's only 1 6, so just f of 6 for our last one. So we've got the setup. We just need to figure out what these values are inside here. So we're going to use our function inside the integral to figure out these. So we've got 1 out in front. Let me multiply those. F of 0, if we put 0 in here, we get natural log of 1. Plus 2 times, if we put 2 into our function, we get natural log of 3. Plus 2 times 4 in, we get natural log of 5. Plus natural log of 7. Now, multiple choice questions can throw you off sometimes. We did everything right here. We've got all the work correctly done. Everything's good. Except when we go look at our answers, none of those answers look like this. And this is going to happen from time to time. And it might drive you nuts because you don't look back at stuff, you look back at your work and go, I did this right. I'm 100% sure everything I did was correct, but I don't see my answer over here. Well, when that happens, don't give up and just guess one. What you want to do is take a look and see, what can I do to this? Taking that one extra step to maybe simplify it or write it slightly differently to make it look like one of these, right? And you can't just make up some step of your own. You have to think about some mathematical stuff that you've learned before that can help you change this. Anybody have any ideas on how we can change this to make it look like one of the ones over here? Well, these are logs, right? They're natural logs. So let's think about properties of natural logs. Yeah, right? Remember, the property of logs, if we have a number out in front of the log, we can rewrite it as an exponent inside the log. So instead of 2 natural log of 3, we can take this 2 and make this natural log of 3 squared. Same here. Right? We take that 2 and make it an exponent on the inside. That's exactly right. So we end up with natural log of 1 plus natural log of 9 plus natural log of 25 plus natural log of 7, which comes out to be C. So you don't want to give up and just guess. You want to think about that. Think about some of the properties, different things that you've learned that may help you to kind of simplify this and rewrite it. Just take that one step further that you may not do normally, but you may have to in order to match it up with one of your multiple choice answers. I lied. Let's see. Yeah. So this will